Here we have an example with bivariate data on daily mean wind speed, which is W in this example, and the daily maximum gust, which is G in the bottom row. Part A asks, state the meaning of NA in the table above. So NA standing for not applicable. We see it appearing twice in the table under days 8 and 9, and the G value says NA, not applicable. So what is the context of the question? Well, the answer is the maximum gust data is not available for those days. We don't know why, it's just not available. In part B, calculate the product moment correlation coefficient for the remaining 8 days. Of course, we can't do it for all 10 days because we've got missing data. So we need to ignore the data for days 8 and 9 because it's incomplete and focus on the rest of the days. So to the calculator, if you're not already in statistics linear mode, then you'll find that by going to menu, number 6, and then choosing option 2, y equals a plus bx, which represents linear correlation. So I'm going to enter the w values under x and the g values under y. For the product moment correlation coefficient, it really doesn't matter which way around you enter these. So we have 4, press an equals, it goes down to the next row. It puts a 0 in the y column, don't worry about that. We'll go and fix those after we've put all the x values in. So we've got 4, 4, 8. So we've got 4, 4, 8, 7, 12, 12, 3, and then ignoring the next 2 and 10. So 3 and then 10. So we've got 8 data values here, which makes sense. There used to be 10, we're ignoring 2 of them. So now I want to get to the top of the y column. So if I press down and right keys in either order, it'll quickly get me there. So now the y value is 13, 12, 19, 23, 33, 37, 10, and then 23. It's always worth a quick scan up and down the values, make sure you haven't made any mistakes. So the first 4 values look correct. And the final 4 look correct as well. So once we've done that, you can either clear the screen if you want to with AC. You don't have to. You can go straight into the option button, do the regression calculation number 4. And it's the final value that we're looking for the product moment correlation coefficient. So 0.953. 0.953 to 3 significant figures. Now part C, with reference to your answer to part B, so you must link back to this, comment on the suitability of a linear regression model for these data. So would a linear model be suitable? Well, since this is incredibly close to 1, there's very strong positive linear correlation. So it's not quadratic or any other type of correlation, it is linear correlation because that's what R measures. So that means the points would lie close to a regression line. Remember, a regression line is simply a line of best fit. Therefore, a linear model, yes, it would be suitable for these data. Now, unless you've got a graphical calculator in the exam, you won't have the option of doing a quick sketch of these values, but I've drawn them here. We can see, yep, a line of best fit really does look suitable, and the fact that R is so strong, that tells us a a linear regression model would be suitable.